Hello and welcome to this data analysis tutorial. In this video, I'll be dealing with data entry with SPSS. However, I'm going to touch on some basics about SPSS. SPSS is statistical package for social sciences. I'm going to open the window, SPSS window for you. This is the SPSS window, the normal window. When you open it this way, you just land. It's a very strong and powerful statistical tool, especially used in the academic setting, and also a lot of NGOs to employ SPSS. So this is a basic window of SPSS. Let me just shift myself out. This is a title bar. This is the menu bar. I hope you can see my cursor. And then this is the toolbar. But then these are the spreadsheets. These are the columns, and then these are the rows. The intersection between a column and a row is a cell. So that's just that. So I just wanted to give that basic framework. Then there's a data view and a variable view, which you can toggle. Now this little foundation is very important because it's in the variable view you design the variables. A variable is a set of entity that can change from one person to another. For example, if I design a questionnaire and in that questionnaire there is age, if there are 20 people that answer that questionnaire, they may have 20 different age. So age is a variable. So yes, so age is a variable. So it's in the variable view that I will design how the settings on that age, the settings on occupation, the setting on occupation can be a variable. So it's in the variable view I can do those settings. So which is this place now. So I already designed a small questionnaire. Let me just go to it. I hope you can see that, the variable, categories, and then the answer. And then for this particular person, she chose the asterisk is the choice. She's 31 to 40 years. She's female. Then her JAMB score is 201 to 300. Then JAMB center was in Enugu. Now, if 100 people were to answer this questionnaire, you're going to have 100 different answers. This is very important if you want to learn how to do data entry. This is very, very important. These entities will change from person to person, and that's how you enter the data. So let me I'll reduce this screen. Then I'll come to my SPSS. I want it to be small so that you can be seeing the two of them. Now, this is a data view I've toggled, and this is a variable view. I'm in the variable view now. I want you to see exactly what I'm doing. So in the variable view, I hope you are seeing everything. So in the variable view, now the first variable here is age. I'll just come in here and write age. Once I click out of it, every other thing comes in. Age is a numeric variable. There are many other details we'll be dealing with in in data entry, like coding in SPSS. I'll do a video on data coding in SPSS. Then that's the first variable. There's a variable type, the width, decimals, the other things, the values, the missing part. There are still other things going. So then the next one is the gender. Gender is either a male or a female. So gender is not is in numeric. The variable type is not numeric. The variable type will just put string because we'll be writing males and female. So the next one is JAMB score. JAMB score. Now, if I want you to notice what will happen, that you don't give space in SPSS in the variable view, it will trigger an error. So I'll just JAMB score. and then I'll make it a string because even though I'm putting jam score, but the it's already a categorical variable because I already categorized it. So I'll still go and use string, and then I could just increase this the number of characters to 18. Then I'll go to the next one, jam center. So you see I made the same mistake now, so that's why it's triggering an error. Jams center. So there'll be no error again, but I still need to change this to a string because a string is when you are writing words. So I've been able to enter that data in that invariable view. So let me bring it outside, you see everything here. So I'm still on variable view. So this is variable view. I entered the age, the gender, the jam score, and then the jam center. So I'll toggle to my I'll toggle to the data view now, and in the data view you can see age, gender, jam score, and jam center. You can just see that it has created four variables. It has created four variables. So I'll come back here, and then while I'm showing you this other screen, so you learn how we enter data. So for age, now this particular person is the first person, isn't it? So under age, she choose 31 to 40. 31 to 40. That's our own category. Okay, now it's triggering an error because the age has been categorized. If the age was not categorized, numeric would have been okay. But now we've already categorized the age. So I'll change it to string. Then I'll go back to data view. So I'll put 31 to 4, sorry, 10 to 30. So she picked 31 to 40. So 31 to 40. You see, it did not trigger anything. Now the same person under gender, she picked female, she's a female. The same person under jam score, she picked 201 to 300. Then the same person under jam center, she picked Enugu. So we've entered the data for one person. Now assuming we go to another, I want you to pay attention to this. We go to another person who picked this. The second person picked this thing, picked 10 to 30, is a male, and then he got less than 100, and then he lives in Abuja. So let's enter the data for this person. Ten to 30 is male, Then the next one is less. So he picked for JavaScript, he picked less than 100. Then for Jam Center, he picked Abuja. But in real life, you will not have one piece of questionnaire like this. You have like 100. If it's 100 people, you have 100 different questionnaires that they've answered. So you pick each one and enter it in according to what you see me doing here. And when you do that, you are good to go. So assuming we have 100 of these people, okay, let's say we have 10 of these people answering, they will have 10 different answers. So just to populate it, I'll just copy down. I'll just copy, but in real life you don't copy and paste. So just to populate the way it will look like. So now we have 10 people who have entered in their data. So this is how we do data entry in SPSS. Thank you.